got you. Forget him, Papa. I got you. That one. When she come, straight to the point. You know, be small picking. They tell you come outside. No, I don't tire me every time. No, you the cause. Tell them say I'm here for you. I just the wrong the name. I'm like that. I do your back. Just know I got you. They come now. Just do something that he tells me she's coming. I got you. How are you?
I'm fine. What are you doing here now? No, I've told you. My father is very aggressive.
Leave your father. The way you're calling your father, is your father not a man like me? Your father have feelings. Your father have feelings. Your father have feelings. When I'm tired of this coming every time I'm hiding as if I'm a rat. When am I going to come freely? When am I going to come freely?
You will come freely inside the grave. Oh yes. Freely you come into this world and freely you shall return inside the grave if care is not taken. When are you going to come freely? When are you going to freely? You want your free, it will frequency. Come on, don't tell me that. How many times have I wanted you to stay away from my daughter?
Calm down.
Stay away from my daughter, Woku.
You are shouting. I'm a title man like you. You are shouting. Calm down. Talk to me like a man. I'm a man. I have feelings too.
So in everything I will give you to hold. My daughter. Who does that? No, I'm asking you, who does that? And they joke in their talk here. They use of the talk here.
It's okay. I'm sorry. Calm down.
All of you should stay away from this girl. This is my treasure. I value her more than everything. You people should stay away. Out of all the men, look at what you attracted.
Are you saying I'm not a man? Are you saying I'm not handsome enough? The way I shout, I can shout.
You will hands and no clue. You will hands and no clue. What the hands are not clean? They're just put hands and no clue. Happen from my family. Get out of this place. And don't you ever come back here. Out. Your family are there wasting. And you want to deceive small girl. You idiot of no comparison. You were a titled man, a titled nonsense. You were stupid idiot. Let me see you here again. Let me see your foot here again. I will castrate you. You shall go about me, lie on the top of you and chop your future. Bingo. And you, come here. How many times have I wanted you to stay away from this old man? Whatever that you have to do with him has to end. If he's coming this way, pass the other way. If he's coming this way, pass that way. Your mates are attracting men with the car. You're attracting men with the shago. I want to go now lion I go chop. Lion do not be saying I live in lion. Lion nature now, but now the original. Isha go on aba. Go you be about the TT. You are a fool. I'm ashamed of you. Just look at one Amuneke. Amuneke, the daughter. You saw the kind of convert that came to marry her. I'm not saying everybody should must marry a convolic in-law. But attract something good. Actually, give me shanya. Give my time, my yauru, Magnus that look like a deity. So if they ask me now who is my in-law, Ntomaglusaka. Hey! Charity, come on, to buy inside. Beauty without brain. Like father, like daughter, some father, like mother, like daughter. If it is for your father, I'm talking with a brain. It's just of no comparison. Let me see you here again. Come on, what can I keep you? The hour one come get you. Come on, get you one more rock more tea and I can give Wakuoka. Nonsense.